Hello fellas. So this is a part 2 video and we are continuing with the comment section which I have received from past 1 week, and I'm not able to reply you all the comments. So like let's start about that. What we were like in the last video, we stopped over here and we are right now with Shivarash Talwar. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. So that's right. His reaction dance with Apu, name of the title song. It's amazing dance skill, really next level dance kabab. Okay, I'll take this suggestion. Thank you so much. And here we go. I'm liking something too. Again, he writes, Apu sir, any song you see, he's smiling in every song. Sir, age now 45, but dance grace next level. I guess he's right. I did notice that too. Thank you so much. I'm going to like that thing. Again, he writes, please reaction Allu versus Punit Rajkumar mashup video song. Please. Okay. Sure, I'll take that thing too. A call. Okay, I'll take this one. Yes, I'm going to like it. Shivara Talwar, right? Thank you so much, brother. Anytime, my pleasure. No worries, my pleasure. And stay connected. Signature star. Okay. Uma HP, hello ma'am, she writes, please react to title track. This again is the title track. I'm sorry, I'm not able to pronounce that word, but I'll try for sure. Nata Sarva Bhoma. I hope I'm right. I'll take a suggestion. Thank you so much for suggesting me. It really means a lot. Next is Satish Chaudhary 777 writes, please react Aravinda Sameta intro fight scene Junior NTR movie. Okay, it's a fight scene. Great one. Thank you. I'll take this one too. Suggestion. Thank you so much. Bharat Raj, bro, can you react on Bhishma movie songs? Do you want all songs or do you want particular song or any particular video or something? Do let me know in the comments. In that particular comment, I'm going to like your comment which you have given. It was in Mehuna, the revisit you commented me to react on this one. So please do give me a suggestion. What exactly do you want me to? I would surely try to do that there. Archana Mehta writes, awesome. Thank you so much. I'll reply to your thank you right now. Thank you. Stay connected and signature star. Okay, we have just someone who someone just Darla Hari told me to react on the same which we just did. So he just commented me on that. So thank you so much for. I'll take this thing one, and I'll surely do that. I'll try as soon as possible. Thank you. Like that thing, right? Vishal Tawari lights. Such a cute sister. Please react tempo movie interval fight scene of Judo NTR. And Bhartaraj comments on climax 2. Yes, bro. Okay, so why the hell not? I'm going to take that too, and here we go. The light and the light. Okay. Shrinike Santosh writes, bike racing, car racing, aero modeling, photography, stunt, acting, he has got it all. Many people have wrote about this about Thala Ajit. I'm really impressed by the things he has done in his life. I mean, like, he has diversified his whole career and still he's on the top. I'm like really respected the person he has did. Absolutely fantastic. So thank you so much for sharing the information. Prince Praveen Kumar, Allu Arjun dance video, top 10 dance moves. We have done Junior NTR, so I guess it's time to do Allu Arjun because I have done a lot of song reaction of Allu Arjun. So I guess this is the time. So thank you so much for suggesting me. It really means a lot, Prince Praveen Kumar. Would like that thing too. I hope I'm not going above my time limit. Sai Reddy writes, react to Jikelu Rani song starring Ram Charan. Best Masi item song movie Rangas Kalam. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, I did try to do that thing, but because of the copyright claim, it got stuck in between. I'll try it again if it is like to just carve it out, or like let's see how, if it's possible for me. But if I'm not mistaken, I had taken the screenshot earlier, but let's see if I can do it again. Thank you so much for the suggestion. React for Ek Baar song, please. There might be a lot of songs of Ek Baar. Which movie, which hero or actress, or anything you can just give me. Please do let me know. You have commented me on Appu dance video song, so if you want to like give me a suggestion in your comment below on your comment too, I'll be happy to know. Thank you so much. Next, Hari Krishna writes, this is a dub version, original version in Tamil. They change everything in Hindi, including Albanian language. You bet, man. Absolutely, you bet. Because the thing is that everything has been changed to Gujarati. As a person who likes Gujarati, I love it, no doubt about that. But you have to translate into Albanian so that we know it's Albanian. Everything you translate into Hindi, even the people over there are speaking Hindi. That's not possible. So like, yeah, thank you so much for information. Vishal Taware writes, please react bro, Temper movie into fight scene. Okay, yeah, I have already taken your suggestion above, so I'll just like this one too. Baji SK in Appu dance video song writes, that guy at 5 minutes and 5 seconds he is a choreographer, Johnny Master. He is working Love Hepa, Open Bottle, Butta Boma, Temple Title song and others. Okay, thank you so much for the information. Someone came in between. I wasn't knowing what it was, so I just told let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for letting me know. I'm going to like this comment. Thank you so much. Soham HV writes, we can say he, Allu Arjun and Prabhudeva are best dancers of South India. Okay. Emperor Perseus writes to his comment, where is Thalapathy Vijay and Junior NTR? Okay, I don't know what he's saying, but I'll just like Soham's comment. I'll give it a heart too. Basavraj Jadar. Please react dance with Appu's song. I did the Appu dance song. You'll be able to. No, he wrote in Appu's song. Okay, I don't know which song he's talking about. Okay, he'll like that too, because it's the Appu dance full video song. Please more reaction videos Appu. Okay. Thank you, bro. Okay, thank you so much. So I'll give you a heart. Bharat Raj writes Temper movie song climax. Yeah, I have taken your suggestion about it, Vishal Taware. Thank you so much. I'll just like your comment again. Kumar Gopi, please react more Allu Arjun videos. I'll surely do that. Thank you so much. Ramu, King of Allu Arjun. What are you saying? He might be saying King of Dance Allu Arjun. Right. Got it, right. Rashmi Tapanda writes, bro, react on Shivaji Surat Kal. I don't know what it is, but I'll surely take the suggestion. If I'll just search it on YouTube, if I get it, I'll surely do that stuff. Thank you so much. Shiva Chopari, please do Raja the Great movie interval fight scene, please. Okay. I like that one scene. And Vishal Taware live, please react Temple movie into the fight scene. I'll do the suggestion. Thank you so much again. Bala BK, you are watching Hindi dub, that's why they talk in Hindi. Why unnecessary question in between? Because it's my right to do the question because I have no idea about it. If you asking me why I am doing the questioning thing. Thanks for mentioning and reacting my request. Veera Pratap writes, the dual character movie you are mentioning is Adhura. It's a full-on comedy entertainer. My next suggestion, okay. Wow, thank you so much. He has given a list of two suggestions in one comment. Thank you so much. Seventh Sense trailer acted by Surya. It's original Tamil movie. You can react in any of Telugu or Tamil trailer. Okay. I Go Crazy song from Country. It is combination of Western and classical. You will enjoy his talent. I would rate it as NTR best till date. Okay, it's NTR or Junior NTR. That's the reason because I have no idea. I'm just like, if you write NTR, it might be his dad. Junior NTR, if you try, I'll just see. But anyways, I'll give you a suggestion. Thank you so much for giving me the suggestion. It means a lot. And Jay Lavakusa was his suggestion. So thank you so much for suggesting. Bro, react to Mankata interval fight scene is simply, yes, I have taken the suggestion of someone else. I'm going to take yours too. So thank you so much for suggesting. I'm going to like it too. Sunny Wilson writes, very nice reaction. Thank you so much. Vishal Tabare writes again, please react Halu Guru Prerna Kosama trailer of Ram Poti Neni, Anupama Parameshwaram and Prakash Raj. Okay, take that too. I like that too. Shiv Chopari writes, please react on this movie climax fight scene. Okay, this might be good enough. Let's just take a suggestion. If I'm able to do that, I'll surely try to do that thing. Sai Reddy writes, react on Kung Fu Kumari song starring Ramcharan movie Bruce Lee. Okay, I'll take that. Again he writes the same thing in another one, and again, okay. Sai Reddy again writes, react to Nitone dance from the movie, from Dhruva movie. I have seen Dhruva movie, but I have seen in Hindi dub. I have not seen any of the songs, so I'll just take this one too. React to Dilaku song from Racha movie. Sai Reddy writes. Okay. Thank you, and like and like. Tashmi Tapanda writes, Ramesh Arvind 101. Okay. I don't know what you mean, but okay. Can you react on Shivaji Sutra Suratkal? You gave me suggestion about, I just took that thing. Thank you. I'll see what it is all about. Nice reaction. He writes again. Thank you. It's actually not Rashmi Tambanda. It's actually a guy who told me that it's his mom's account he is using. So okay. Aditya R writes, I hope we are not okay. It's already time up, but I'm just going to extend a minute here. Aditya R writes, in Tamil they speak Albanian. The guy actually translated in Hindi. It doesn't work. Yeah, that's right. I totally agree with that. Thank you for the information. Aditya R writes again, bro, really thanks a lot for reaction to sorry, Tala Ajit sir. Yes, I am really happy to do that reaction for you people and for myself too. Gauri Sai writes, react to Tamil version, you'll see the difference of the reaction will be same again, but he might, if it's he or if it's she, I don't know, but I'll surely see the scene in Tamil version. I'm sure I'm going to enjoy that stuff. Tala JP writes, please reaction by Tala G. Real stance. Yes, I have taken the suggestion above and I'll be doing it very soon. Bala Murugan writes, please react to villain movie entries. I have done that, Bala Murugan. I hope you have seen this particular reaction. It was uploaded yesterday. I'm sorry, on Wednesday. I don't know when this will be edited out and come out, so you'll be able to know that. So thank you so much. Rakesh K, right? Actually, if they speak Albanian language, we can understand. That's why in title card they clearly mentioned that they are translated for their regional languages like Tamil, Hindi, Telugu. Okay, thank you so much for the information. Really means a lot. Ashwin Sanhem, right? Try out villain movie intro scene. Love your reaction. Fan of Thala. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the compliments and thank you. I am too a fan of Thala Ali. Basa Waraj Jadar right? Bro, his number one dance in South industry. Appu dance Rajkumara movie song same actor choreography. I have done that. Please to see on the comments. Sorry, in the if your past videos you'll be able to know that but I don't know if I have I guess the simple link I'll just okay the time yes the time is up and this was the part 2 video. I hope you will like stay tuned to this until next review, next comments, next trailer, next reaction. I will request you to stay connected.